hiking up Silly Mountain. It's the best way I've learned to treat my anxiety and depression is through hiking, biking, jogging. Tomorrow, paddleboard's getting delivered, so we'll see what that does. But anyways, I've learned that staying active really helps with those things. And if you suffer from depression and anxiety, get out of the house, get on a bike, go have some fun. Get one life and it's short in comparison. So, just hoping to motivate some people, right? Maybe. I don't really know. I'm just some old man on a hike. Sometimes I think I'm getting too old for this stuff. But anyways, the hike continues.